The first thing people say when they golf here is, geez, these aren't retirement golf courses. You hear from everybody.
And what he means by that is there's lots of hills, there's a lot of uneven slopes, but you adjust to it.
There are 2 golf courses, both of them open 6 days a week. One's closed on Monday, the other one's closed on Tuesday for maintenance purposes, but they're open 12 months a year.
And the courses are so well maintained. I go to many golf tournaments around the state and even into North Carolina, and these are the nicest courses I have been to in both North and South Carolina.
The residents tend to really watch what's going on out there, and they will report if something's not right. They'll report it to the maintenance crew, or if somebody's doing something wrong incorrectly, they'll report it to golf services.
It's not in a nasty way, and it's a very constructive, positive way. It's like a neighborhood watch program on the golf course. Yes, very effective
Good.
too.
That's good. Our golf pro gives lessons for beginners of chipping and putting and sand traps and those type of things. There are plenty of practice areas around here. If you want to start to learn the golf, it's a good place to do it.
It's really fun to work with those people, both men and women, who are coming in and just want to learn how to golf. And they get pretty good, and then they join other groups, which is a lot of fun.
And it's not a place where people are going to make fun of you.
No.
I'm going to be embarrassed. I'm not ready to go on the golfer. I'm going to be embarrassed. There's places for competitive golfers. There's places for the social golfer. There's places for the beginning golfer. The job is to balance them. So I can't golf anymore. I've got 5 days in a row. It's fun though. It's fun to be busy. Once we moved here, being golfers, we got on the golf course. We went to the rec center, and we started meeting people. And the more people we met, the more we liked it here. The number one item was there was no snow here, of course. Then all of a sudden the people overtook that reason. So if there ever snows here, the people are going to keep me here.
We've all made our own connections by moving here. We're all transplants, basically. So you start to build that network of people that you really enjoy golfing with or going out to eat with, and we all get to know each other and rely on each other and support each other in whatever way that we need to.
If you're really bad with names like I am, it takes a while.